Hello, it's Martin, and it's time to complete my Corsair layout. So, if you're not aware now, I have done the mouse, the mouse mat, and now I'm going keyboard. Completely my Corsair fanboy. This is the entire, I've gone to completely Corsair now. I've completely turned over. This is a Corsair K100. This is, I think this is mechanical. Yeah, optical mechanical gaming keyboard. I've been looking at this keyboard for a while. This keyboard has been, I've been looking at this and it's very expensive for what it is. This was £200. This was on sale. Yeah, I bought it on sale. So I've never spent £200 with a keyboard, so I'm sure that's really cheap. So let's unbox it. So why did I pick this one? Well, obviously it works with IQ. I work with all my other courses stuff that I run, so this is going to be a good. So right at the back you get straight into it. So there we go. Let's do it this way. So okay, there must be an easy way to do this. Oh, that's hefty. You got the keyboard mouse pad. That's good. It's got Corsair. It looks like it's got fake cardboard on it. Well, that's cool. Never had that. Well done about it. What else do you get unboxing? You get this wee yellow thing, which probably presume manual, safety information, and warranty guides. Stuff that I do not need to know. So this is good. And then that. Two USBs. Okay, cool. Right, let's keep that on there. Okay. You got a nice braided cable, which is, at this point I would say premium, but I don't know if this is premium or not. It's nice having braided cables, yes, I'm not going to deny that. It looks nice and pretty and it will sure protect the keyboard, but back in the day, wow, that's not cool when I say that. You paid for getting braided, and you get the premium, whatever that means. So yeah, that's good. So oh wow, this is quite hefty. Wow. Wish I had a wheels go. Well, that's cool. It's got like this layout for your layout where you put your your keyboard management. Oh, that's cool. I like that. And then you get the stands, and then you get this. Ow! Hit my head. Ow. Ugh. Okay. Good. It's RGB. Well, So yeah, so we'll have a wee click. Good. So yeah, I assume these keys can come off. Perfect. So that's good for maintenance. And here's me that kind of, because you know that I like to maintain stuff. I like to maintain my equipment. Like, I will probably give that other one the clean again, because I cleaned it and I ate the same day. How ironic, but my keyboard gets, my desk is just a dumping ground. But anyway, that's fine. That's movies. So anyway, so you get this this USB passover, so that's good. This is, ooh. Oh, so sorry. Sorry. I'll do. So you get these keys at the bottom. So it goes from G1 to G6. So that's good. It has a. Let's get that shot. So you got like these. I'm hoping these are macro keys. These are programmable. You get your. I have spin wheel. I have no idea what that does. And that launches IQ, which is good. And buttons are. And then you get this like. We don't use media keys. I can't remember last time I used media keys, but they're there if I need them. So that's good. So that's good. I enjoy that. So. It looks nice and premium. I really like this. So what we'll do is we'll connect this to the computer. I'll have a camera, so you get to see the different layouts, and then you get to see all the pretty lights on it. I don't have a computer here. I do, but it's not connected. But what we'll do is we'll get this on my main computer. You'll get to see it on the IQ software. And we'll set it up and we'll get a picture on how it looks like. I know it's RGB goodness. So, onto the computer.
Okay, that's me in IQ now. So this is the actual keyboard now. So there's certain things you can do. So it says, yeah. So you see these keys up here. Those can be classes, micro keys. So when you click on one, you can like launch one. So I've got a few set up already. So that's good. Hardware side. So we can like do different shortcuts. That's good. So you get your different. So like I could do your 10 keyboard. So if I do this, it goes all the way up around to all the different stuff, which is cool. So you can see this real time. So that's cool. Right. which is really not. So there's like a different temperature. Style color, wavy. Pulse. But I think we'll have it for. I quite like it that way. But it's a good hardware light. So I didn't realize the view when I unboxed it, there was lighting here. So there's lighting all around the side. Sorry, and which is quite cool. Performance. 30 days over that color wheel. So basically, there's a button. I sort of launches IQ, but it's like different modes. So how how it's changing there now. So this brightness, I can change the keyboard right off or quite high. So that's quite good. And it's also got the media controls here, which you can see in the screen now, which is quite good. Device settings, you can check this updates, but I updated since I plugged this in and found it, so that's quite good. So yeah, so they're generally quite good general piece of software. I really like it. So back to the main video.
Okay, I'm back now. So yeah, you got to see the IQ software and all what it looks like. So this is good. I will give another view in 12 months' time. And how I've been liking this keyboard. Now, yes, this is not wireless. I'm the kind of person who doesn't. Yes, I know my mouse is wireless, but that's fine. But I do believe in wires. Yes, it's really upsetting for keyboard management. Yes, I understand about keyboard management and all that. So, but I do like keyboard because this keyboard has no batteries, so you don't have to worry about recharging it and all this, and you don't need to worry about it. And it's you go on the computer and goes, it works. So, right, I'm going to get going now. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.